Alright, so I have been away for a long time since I have not posted anything. So today I think I'm back and I got a question about how we can create an application folder in a corporate network and allow only trusted applications or block specific applications from being passed across the network or traversed across the network. So here you can see in the screen, you can also go to the NDG Labs Net Developer Group and you can practice or register a subscription and you can practice your skills in PaloAlto network security firewalls. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create an application folder that would block social media, for example, from passing in your traffic. So suppose we have a scenario, we want to block Facebook, Twitter, all the distractions from passing around and across the network from inside to outside, from inside the network to the internet. So we would also block the employees from accessing social media during working hours. So how can we create this? Basically, we would go to first objects, and in application groups we would add a new group and we could name it Untrusted Apps. After we name or we give it a name, we go ahead and add, let's say, Facebook, enter, and let's try Twitter, and we can also add Bittorrent, since Bittorrent is used to steal books, movies, and infringe copyrights. Okay, so for now I'm gonna click on OK, and the next step is going to policies. Okay, so in policies here you will have all the security policies that are applied to your network. So for example, the first policy is allow inside out, would allow all the traffic from the inside network to pass through and go to the internet. Alright, so this is the first policy that would be applied to traffic originating from the inside network. In order to create a security policy that would block Facebook, Twitter, and all untrusted applications and not interfere with other business operations or other traffic, we should create another security policy here that would look for traffic, and if Facebook, Twitter is being used in the traffic, then it would go ahead and block the traffic, and if not, it would apply this rule here. So how can we use this? Let's add a new security policy here and name it block untrusted inside out, and in the source here we select the interface or the zone that we need to inspect. So the zone here is the inside network. So we select inside, hit enter. In the destination field we select to click on add outside, and in the application here we need to select the application group that we have just created. So let's click on add, and here we would write untrusted. So here we would select the application group that we have just created. Alright, click on enter, and in actions I will go ahead and select deny. Click on apply, nothing needs to be done. Alright, here we come to another important step, which is moving this security policy here to be the first security policy that would be inspected, and then the allow inside out should be the second one. So you go ahead and right click on 2, click on the arrow down, click on move, and here select a rule inside out, and here we tell the firewall to move the block untrusted inside out to be before the allow inside out. So move before. Great. So now here's the thing. Once a traffic is originated from the inside network, it will start to be inspected here in order. So the first order would be evaluated and assessed against the first rule. If the traffic or if the packet contains Facebook or Twitter, it will be blocked immediately by this rule. If not, it would go ahead and pass down to the next rule to be evaluated against. So here allow inside out, it will allow the packet to pass out of the network to the internet. Alright, so let's now click commit. Commit changes. Click on close. So now let's go and try to access Facebook. Let's try now to access Google. As you can see, I can access Google, but if I try to access Twitter, for example, Twitter could not be accessed. Let's try again Facebook. Let's go to Google, and here type Facebook, click on link, and as you can see, the site cannot be reached. Why? Because the traffic has been blocked by the security rule that we have just created. And this scenario is used so frequently in enterprise settings, in all corporates or enterprise settings where information security is of an important matter. They would create a list of untrusted applications or folders that employees would not be allowed to access. And if you work in these settings, you would need to know this information. You would need to know how to create application folders in your network and your other folders as well. I'm planning to do another important videos on PaloAlto network, since I have subscription in this net developer group, and the next videos would be revolving around that topic. Alright, thank you for watching.